the stress on developing language skills has been developed. As a result, children like XX only grapple to understand complicated subjects once they start to move up to higher grades. But now, Pondicherry-based social enterprise Bookbox is plugging the gap at elementary stage of child learning.
We create educational cartoons for children. These are basically animated stories with a concept called same language subtitling. With that, what happens is any child who's exposed to Bookbox content learns to pick up the language in which that content is. So an exposure to an English story will teach a child how to read English. French will teach French, etc.
Started by an IITian, Brish Kothari, Bookbox is a sister venture of an NGO called Planet Read, which
Gatsu likes to watch squirrels in the park near his house.
Available on different platforms.
So we create the core story, which we call an Annie book. Then we productize it across different platforms. So we have it as online downloads. You can also download it for your mobile phone, iPhone. We are working for an iPad application, Android application. We also have books and CDs and DVDs.
But what really sets Bookbox a class apart is its sensitivity and attention to just what is important for the child to learn and grasp.
Bookbox has a set of guidelines for the writers, and you have to follow that. And because it's for young children, according to a survey, they found out that the story should not exceed 400 words. So usually a writer is expected to write a story which has between 350, 400, or it could stretch to 450 or 500. And there are some clear guidelines, not too much of violence, and language also, has to be child friendly, and things like that.
Additionally, Bookbox makes sure that a foolproof, error-free development cycle is followed, maintaining highest quality standards at all times. Accordingly, Bookbox takes out 10 to 15 titles every year, which are storyboarded, sketched, and animated in-house with utmost care. In particular, attention to detail across the 6 elements of the product is critical. These are story, illustration, animation, music, SLS, and narration. Each of these elements are reviewed by an external review team, making sure it is completely error-free. The 2D flash animations are kept to a minimum on purpose to make sure children don't miss the subtitles at the bottom. The stories are also available in over 20 languages prepared under the eye of English translators.
There were cookies, pies, socks, mittens, books, jigsaw puzzles, and even a small Christmas tree. So all these things I have to translate into Hindi also, because if one sentence, one word I skip, then the translation is not perfect, and the child will look for that word. So I did everything: cookie, biscuit, pie, and for mittens I've written mose, dastane, kitabe, jigsaw puzzle. It doesn't exist in Hindi. यहाँ तक कि छोटा सा क्रिसमस का एक पेड़ भी था. So everything I have to literally translate word by word.
No doubt that Bookbox spends an annual budget of 4 million rupees to stress on the quality, but how does it scale the usage of the product?
The strategy for Bookbox is very simple. We don't get into making our own distribution channels. We take existing distribution channels, we just find strong partners in those channels and give them our content, and based on whatever they sell, they give us a royalty. So we partner with Apple, and they sell our content on the iPhone and the iPad. We partner with Orient Black Swan, they sell our content in forms of physical books, etc.
And not only that, Bookbox team is also aiming to make a television show which in a single swoop would be able to reach millions of children across the world. A strategy that might work, especially in light of the fact that Bookbox is not tied to school curriculum. Additionally, it is also developing content specific to Indian context, from recently released Legendary Night, which features the stories of women in India, starting with President APJ Kalam and Super Cop Kiran Bedi. But still, the scope to customize the product for rural children remains a task that will require simplifying the English expression further. In the meantime, kids will be kids, and those who have access can learn the language skills along with their reels while watching some very cute animation.